Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today in this video we are going to watch the another important DAX functions in Power BI. So we have discussed previously about what is DAX function and what are the 8 important DAX functions which is used in Power BI, and in that we have taken the first one, which is date DAX function, and in that we have discussed 6 different DAX functions, which is date and date value in one video, which is all about how date and date value differs and what is the use of those two functions, and today and weekday formula. So what is today's week function, what is weekday function will work, and then the previous video which we have discussed about hour and minute. If you have not seen this video, we have given the link in description box of this set of series. You can watch using the link. And now today in this video we are going to discuss about calendar and CalendarAuto function. So what are these two functions in Power BI, how it differs from other two, and what are the difference between these two and how it can be utilized will be discussed in this video. To know more in detail, do not skip the video and watch it completely. Before starting the video, we are happy to announce that going forward we are going to update all the syntax in our blog page, and it will be provided in the link of each and every video as well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends who are in need. Let's start the video with calendar and CalendarAuto functions. You can see previously we have discussed about all these 6 different functions in Power BI. Now to discuss this calendar and CalendarAuto functions, what is the use of this one? By the name itself we can get to know this is helping you to create a calendar table, right? So I am going to create new table instead of new column. So we have created a new column in the sales order table, but here we are going to create a new table for the calendar functions. So now what I am going to give you is, this is all about calendar underscore is equal to calendar of start date, and you have to give it the year, month and day. So I am giving 2020 and month will be 1st of January and 1st of, and end date is also like the same. I am giving it for today. Then no need of this date function over here. End it. You can close the table, and you can see there is a separate table created from starting of 2020 till, if I click on descending of today's date, which is 4/11/2023, which means from January 2020 to today. If I am opening this table tomorrow, I will get the date of 4/12/2023 with the current date. So this is how the calendar function will work, and also you can give the desired date over here, and we have to give the date and start date and end date for this calendar function. This is pretty simple, and you can able to create your own table for your customized date, but this date cannot be customized of the start date, because once you give the start date, every time you want to create, you have to give the date whichever is required for this particular one. That is called a little drawback for this calendar function. Okay, now we are going to see how this CalendarAuto function will work. Similar to calendar table, CalendarAuto will work like a different table. So here what I am going to do is, I am just replacing this table with CalendarAuto function. Okay, so the advantage of this CalendarAuto function is it automatically read the data set which is existing in your Power BI data sets, and it automatically create a data set or a calendar table which is from start date to end date. So if you see, if I give from ascending 2021, so if I go and check my date, right, my order date is starting at 2021, and if I go and check on descending, it will be ending at 2022, but it will create till the current year. That's the one automated function for calendar auto function, right? And again, if you want to give any changes over here, you can see while creating the formula, you are getting a syntax stating that fiscal year end of month. So now for India, our fiscal year end month will be of 3, and if you click on close the bracket and if you enter the data, this will automatically starts from 1st of April, which means 1st of April 2022, which means it starts exactly at fiscal year starting of 2020 to 2021. This how the advantage of calendar auto functions, and hope you have understood the difference between date in calendar and calendar auto functions. If you have any query, please do let us know in the comments box or else via our social media platforms. We'll see you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.